How to start a streak on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to start a streak on Snapchat, first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device. As you do that, simply tap on the chat section at the bottom of the screen and then select any of your friends to start a streak. So what you can simply do is tap on the camera icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and simply send a snap to that friend. So let's send it. And as you send a snap, you can now just go back to the chat section, and as you tap on the chat section here on the chat, you'll be able to see the snap streak. So there's another way to see this streak over here on Snapchat is to go to their profile, and over here also you'll be able to see the snap streak over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.